In recent years, China has been synonymous with manufacturing, serving as the world's manufacturing hub for decades. However, as global dynamics shift, questions arise post-COVID. Could India emerge as a formidable manufacturing alternative to China? India, with its vast population and abundant resources, possesses the necessary ingredients to challenge China's manufacturing dominance. The country has experienced steady economic growth, technological advancements, and favorable government policies that promote industrial development. One of the key advantages India holds over China is its young and dynamic workforce. With a large pool of skilled and educated labor, India offers competitive wages and a strong engineering talent base, attracting multinational companies to set up manufacturing operations within its borders. Several multinational corporations have already recognized the potential of India's manufacturing sector and have started shifting their operations from China to India. They see the advantages of diversifying their supply chains and tapping into India's growing consumer market. Additionally, the Indian government's Make in India initiative has played a pivotal role in promoting domestic manufacturing and attracting foreign investment. The Make in India initiative aims to transform India into a global manufacturing hub by streamlining bureaucratic processes, providing incentives, and investing in infrastructure development. The Indian government's focus on developing special economic zones, SEZs, and industrial corridors has further facilitated the growth of manufacturing clusters across the country. These zones offer tax benefits, infrastructure support, and a business-friendly environment, encouraging both domestic and foreign companies to invest in manufacturing facilities. Despite these promising developments, India faces certain challenges on its path to becoming a manufacturing alternative to China. Infrastructure bottlenecks, including inadequate transportation networks and power supply, need to be addressed to ensure seamless production and distribution. Additionally, India must focus on enhancing its ease of doing business index, ensuring faster regulatory clearances, and simplifying bureaucratic procedures to attract more foreign investments. India must continue its efforts to improve skill development and innovation, which is crucial to remain competitive in the global market. Encouraging research and development activities and promoting innovation ecosystems will further strengthen India's position as a manufacturing hub. As the world reevaluates its dependence on a single manufacturing giant, India has emerged as a strong contender. It possesses the potential to absorb some of China's manufacturing share, offering a diversified and reliable supply chain to global businesses. While India's journey to becoming a manufacturing alternative to China is still ongoing, its commitment to industrial growth, combined with its favorable demographics and government initiatives, positions it as a promising contender in the global manufacturing landscape. Will India successfully establish itself as the alternative to China in manufacturing? Only time will tell, but for now, the winds of change are blowing, and India is ready to embrace its manufacturing destiny. With its inherent strengths, ongoing reforms, and a determined focus on industrial growth, India has the potential to reshape the global manufacturing landscape and become a force to be reckoned with.